Hi, thanks for tooling around with Springer's Adventures again. Well, today I got something, and actually we're going to do a multi-part series on this one. I'll try to get with you guys every couple of weeks and see how's it going. Going to go over and see my Uncle Rudy today. You may remember him from past couple of videos. I did one on his Rat Rod Dodge that he had, a convertible, and also had a 1954 Beamer BMW. I think it was like an R54 or something like that, motorcycle that he's had for a long time. Well, he's been looking for a 1967 Chevelle. Didn't want a Super Sport, just wanted a Malibu. I guess he bought my aunt, his wife, one brand new back in 1967. So he's been looking for one as a project car. And as we are speaking, he just came cruising up the road with it sitting on the back of the trailer. So I figured, hey, let's go over and check it out. You'll be the first ones to see it. We'll see what a gem it is, or how rough it is, or how great it is. You can determine that for yourself. So come on and let's go check it out. Well, Uncle Rudy's new project. What do you think? 67. So this thing has been sitting on this trailer for about 7 or 8 years, just the way you see it. Tires flat, kind of all locked up, just kind of in place there. We probably should have retitled this video, How Not to Unload a Car Off of a Trailer. Let's watch it.
Nice and slow and easy. Good thing I let those apart.
All right, Uncle Rudy's new project. I'm not a big fan of how they're doing
that's out of gear. Go ahead. Well.
Easy does it. Wow, well, I could see that going wrong so many different ways, but it didn't. He got it down, thank God. So here's a little bit of pictures of the inside. You can see it's a little on the rough side. Looking through there, it looks like most of the interior is there. Looks like something's been living in there for a while, but seems to be all pretty much intact. Looks like somebody changed the hood out on there. Other than that, everything looks pretty much all original on this car. Fender's not in too bad a shape. Looks like this passenger door got caved in a little bit. The quarter panel on the passenger side definitely going to be replaced. It's pretty well ratted out there. The roof, I don't know about that. Looks like the package tray, pretty rough. Uncle Rudy's new project.
About 2 years of work. Just think, I bought her for her 21st birthday.
Huh?
It was $26.50 out the door.
Wow.
I bought it for Kathy when she was 21.
So package trays definitely look like it's going to need to be replaced. Back up by the window there, you can see it has some rot in that area there. The trunk was closed. I did get underneath there. It was gone. It does have an original 283, original AC car, power steering, power brakes. That was the main reason why he wanted to pick it up. And it's also an original Power Glide car, automatic, 2-speed automatic in there. So, like I tell you, you can see it's all original car, just been sitting neglected for quite a few years. So, he's going to tear it apart, put it all back to original, take that motor out, and rebuild it. And I think it's going to turn out to be a really cool car. So just follow along and see how the progress goes. I'll try to put different sections out there so we'll see it. So, of course, if you're out on the road and you see me out in an old 52 or something like that tooling around, or if you see me out on the old Springer or something like that, give a shout, say hi. And as always, I appreciate you watching the videos and tooling around with the Springer's Adventures. And until the next time, be safe out there, and we'll see you out on the road.